In this video, I'll show you how to run GTA 4 on low-end 2 GB RAM PC without a GPU using the best FPS boost settings. Check my video description for this download link. Once download done, right-click and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Open the extracted folder and right-click on the game and select Open File Location. Try and drop the command line inside the game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Once you've done this, close stuff here. Open mem redact 64-bit application. Inside clean memory, inside yes. Do the same thing for 2 to 3 times. Once you're done, go back and open the power control setup inside yes. Okay, install. Once the installation done, click on the drop down in CPU settings and select bit sum highest performance. Set everything to enabled and set everything to 100%. Select apply. Okay, to set the settings and open this quick CPU setup. Install this. Once installation done, open. Close system power plant. Set this to bit some high performance and core blocking in text, turbo boost in text, and frequency scaling in text. Set all three to 100% and set apply to save the settings. And now you can start the game. Once you are in game, go to settings and go to graphics. Set this video mode to a monitor's resolution and you're good to go now.